Hi, my name is Branko Stipanovic. I'm art antique restorer and artist. Today video I would like to show you, actually maybe to help you or to give you some more ideas how to do artwork with mosaic. Mosaic can be creative material like any other if you have right idea or need. I'm working on the mosaic what actually order my client. I'm happy because of that, as you understand. Motif on that mosaic is a dragon, cave mythological creature, what in history is mentioned many times in different ways. But for me, as a meaning of dragon, what remind me to Africa and my life there in Africa. Dragon, what I'm doing is actually specific colors and strength. The colors are from black mamba and green mamba, especially vicious, toxic snakes with a black color, dark brown color and very green color. Big snake, nice to watch how fast they're moving, and obviously they're very, very dangerous. My dragon will have typical colors of the black mamba, green mamba and the strength of Anaconda. What I do with a mosaic always, I do artwork nearly just to be artwork as a painting. But I work in this way, I want to see exactly how mosaic will look later, and that's why I work seriously on the artwork as a base for the mosaic. This is actually mosaic what I will show you in some stage of building. You can see actually the artwork, the paintings, preparation, and you will see already the tiles mosaic I applied on this. I hope you see clearly enough. Good. This is, as you see, mosaic with the green, dark, black, brown colors. The green is nearly electrical color, sparking. If you will see in the nature, the snake, you will understand what I'm talking, but better not. As mean, whatever colors I have here, for example, I'm just applying mosaic tiles, what I collected, what is not so easy because the colors are very specific. As you see, the work is in the progress. I applied already enough tiles to see actually the shape of the dragon, and I will go on now with actually what I am talking. This means we have these areas of the greenish all around, and I will start to work on this now. We start here from the bottom. Don't worry and don't ask yourself too many questions. You will manage that yourself with no problem. We start here on the bottom, nicely fitting each tile together, not leaving too much gap in between, because later on you have to apply gesso or filler to fill the gaps, and if gaps are too big you will have too much white color on your mosaic. Everything should be pretty good, because later is too late to make corrections what actually you can avoid on the beginning. Good. This one is much better. And this one should be corrected, you see. It's just about what you see and what you do. Still not enough. Corrections. And more corrections, cutting the tiles. This one is looking pretty good. Applying the other one. Always making corrections in time, because later can be too late. Any angle you see that tile should fit better, you have actually to cut in time. For example, this one here, and we have one small gap here. We cut that. We cut this in half. And nicely fitting in. Good. Right, another one here. And another one coming. Slightly cut here. Well, you know, mosaic can be like any other material or technique, very artistic. You can express yourself in any way you want. This means just be free to apply in way you like that. Good. This is how it's coming. This is specific shape here. We will cut that and we will test that here if it's going in. Alright, a little bit more here. As you see, it's fitting nicely in. Right, we go with the other line. This is a circle. Actually, the coil, the snake, is building in the process of attacking. And we are just following this with the tiles to have impression of strength and the shape of powerful snake. Good, we need just slightly to cut it here, one corner, and then as well fitting nicely. Good, as means slowly, one by one, and we are happy with what we're doing. Still a little bit here. Right, you see, now it's fitting in but not entirely. A little bit here. And this is coming in the shape like this. Another half we will cut here. Right. And another one coming here, always following the form. Right, it is nearly a half. Good. And then the other one coming here. Small cut, and we are progressing nicely. Right. Good. Right here. Specific shape again. And we cut that. You know, with the practice, you feel the shapes without much measuring and whatever, because you feel that just looking at that. Put it on a place. When glue dries up, it's too late for any correction. We have that angle here, as you see, and we just take a tile, cutting angle. This should be good, like this one here, as you see, is good, perfect. Little bit of glue. Right, good. Another smaller one, that means we have another tile. We will cut a little bit more. Right. Good. This one is here, and we have one small one. We will do two. And you see, it's nicely fitting. There is no problem with the shapes or whatever. Just do that. If somehow does not fit, do it again. This is a creation, and sometimes fit very well at first. Sometimes we have to repeat this. There is another one here for cutting. Good. Right. As you see, nearly perfect. Another smaller one. Okay, and this one perfect too, as you can see. We're following that curve here. That means this is actually how we have to work until everything is finished and ready, and we will enjoy beauty of our work. This is the rest of the dragon shape, what we have to work on. We will do that tomorrow. This is the rest of the dragon on the other side. You know, and that is how it look like. More we work, more pleasure is giving us back. Well, the beautiful green, blue and black colors with the background of the the cave, what I will go with the dripping water, minerals, different colors, and the lines and the cracks. This will be the background of dragon coming out of the cave. There is a third eye on this dragon, what is on the end, on this part. This is a third eye. I don't know if you heard about that. This is a third eye of the dragon. Apparently we had a third eye, all of us, but this is a part of mysticism and probably some nice feeling when you are doing art, as a nice story. Now I will thank you for following me, and I hope you will have some ideas in your works or maybe future projects. Thank you very much. Next time I will do when I am nearly finished with this project. Thank you for watching.